In this video, you will learn how to create a classic Pokemon ball using Microsoft Paint. Follow these easy steps to design and paint your own Pokeball. So let's start the video. First of all, we will select this circle, draw a circle and increase its size. Again we will draw another circle and place it inside this circle. Adjust it like this. To fill this area with color, click on it, fill it with black color. Again select the circle, reduce its size, draw it. We will create 2 more circles like this and fill it with 2 different colors. Select the curve, draw it and change the shape like this. Draw again, follow the same as before and fill it with black color. Click on select and select transparent selection and place it like this. To fill this area with color, click on it, fill it with white color. Select the curve, reduce its size, change the color as well and drag it. Change the shape like this and fill it with color. Select the curve, change the color as well, drag it, adjust the curve like this and fill it with color. Fill red color here. We will select this circle, change the color and drag the circle and adjust it like this. So see friends, you have learned how to create a classic Pokeball using Microsoft Paint. These techniques will help you to design a recognizable Pokeballs. If you like the video, please like it and subscribe to the channel and share it with your friends. So thanks for watching the video. We'll meet you in the next video. Thank you.